Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix TradingView alerts not working or delayed on Android. If you're missing alerts or getting them late, it's usually caused by a simple notification, permission, or sync issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. TradingView alerts rely on a strong connection to reach your device on time. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, check that your alerts are active in the TradingView app. Tap the Alerts tab, bell icon, and ensure your alert isn't paused, expired, or missing. If it is, set it up again. After that, verify notification permissions for TradingView on your Android device. Go to Settings is greater than Apps, is greater than TradingView, is greater than Notifications, and make sure notifications are allowed. If notifications are blocked, the app may trigger alerts, but your phone won't show them. Next, check for any available app updates. Open the Google Play Store, search for TradingView, and tap Update if it's available. Keeping the app updated ensures bug fixes and better alert performance. Another important step is to clear cache and data for the app. Go to Settings is greater than Apps, is greater than TradingView is greater than Storage. Then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets background sessions and can fix delayed notifications. If alerts are still not working, restart your phone. Hold the power button, turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This refreshes background services that handle notifications. Also, make sure Battery Saver, Do Not Disturb, or Focus Mode are turned off, as these can block alerts. Finally, as a quick fix, try logging out and back into the app to refresh your session and test alerts on popular symbols to see if they work. Avoid using third-party alert boosters or unofficial apps as they can delay or interrupt notifications. Following these steps should resolve any issues with TradingView alerts on your Android device.